A new lab at SUNY Polytechnic Institute could affect your commute someday. The institute showing off its new Transportation Research AI lab, or TRAIL. Our Shalon Stevens takes us there to show us just what researchers are aiming to do.
Let's try to use Python, which I'm sure you are very familiar with it.
Dr. Obolfast Karimpour is an assistant professor of transportation and engineering at SUNY Polytechnic Institute. The Transportation Research AI Lab, TRAIL, utilizes data-driven AI and machine learning solutions to address transportation challenges.
Let's say I have a problem. My people are experiencing a lot of delay at signalized intersection. DOT will come to us and ask us, how can we help solve it? So what we do is that we say, okay, let's look at the intersections. We use all those big traffic data. We develop different machine learnings and AI models to see what is the issues.
The lab is designed to use artificial intelligence to find specific data so they can research an issue and work to find a solution.
AI will help us to find the related news, and then it will help us to find a specific information out of this news. What information is interesting to us? When was the crash happened? How was the weather condition where the crash happened? Who were involved in the crashes?
TRAIL is currently being utilized by students working with Dr. Karimpour as part of SUNY Poly's summer undergraduate research program.
I have a map of New York State, and it has the locations of rest stops along the thruway. And I've also mapped about 8 or 9 years worth of accident data.
Vito Valenzano is one of the students taking part in the program. He is using the lab to narrow down where crashes are occurring due to fatigue.
We're taking all of this past data and we're going to feed it into an AI model. And what that model is going to do is it's going to use all of that retrospective data from past crashes that have occurred in order to sort of predict the likelihood of a crash happening due to fatigue, based on a multitude of factors that are provided.
Valenzano says they will be able to use that information to predict where rest stops should go on the New York State Thruway.
It's very fulfilling knowing that what you're putting so much time and effort into is actually going to make a difference and will matter.
We are able to help the taxpayers improve their mobility on the roadways when they go to work, when they come back home. We are able to increase the safety, and also we are able to improve the sustainability of the roadways.
Shalon Stevens, Spectrum News.